Hey guys, for today's video, I'm going to be showing you a couple of my favorite bandana hairstyles for the summertime. But hang on, before we even get started, let me quickly show you how I wrap up these bandanas and get them ready for these styles. The bandanas I'm using today are from our den, and I'll link them down below if you're interested, but you can use any square size bandana for this and just fold it over diagonally to create a little triangle shape. Grabbing the little point of the triangle, you're going to start folding 1-inch sections all the way to the top. Folding the bandana in this way just makes it much easier to knot and style in these hairstyles. We're going to start off with the simplest hairstyle of all of these. This is one of my favorite ways to wear it. Just combing back the front of your hair, you're going to grab the bandana and you're going to pull it right over your ears and create a simple knot. Once that knot is in place, create a second one just to tighten it a little bit, and then just go ahead, play with it, zhuzh it up, girl. Just give it some volume, and honestly, it's the easiest hair accessory ever. Next up, we're going to create a little ponytail, so once again, place the bandana at the nape of your neck, push back all of your hair with a little comb, and bring the bandana over your ears and create that same knot twice. Then just grabbing a hair tie, I'm combing back all my hair with my hands, trying to get rid of any bumps or knots. And then the trick to this is that you want to make the ponytail very voluminous, so after you create it, just pull at the top, bringing the ponytail up high. My favorite easy, messy ponytail. For this next hairstyle, it's also a great alternative to wearing it down. I'm just going to start off with taking little sections from the top of my hair to the back of my ear from both sides of my face. After that, just keep all the rest of your hair back while you take the bandana, lift it over your ears, and once again, you're going to create that same double knot. And that's it, your hairstyle is done. This is just a nice way to add some flirty pieces right at the front and give the hairstyle a bit more texture. I'm pretty sure that this next hairstyle is my absolute favorite, so you're just going to grab your comb again and comb back the front of your hair. And to create the half pony, you're just going to grab a section from the corner of your eyebrows, you're going to bring that right up and create a little ponytail. Just comb down any bumps that you may have and then secure that off with a tie. I like to add some volume with this look, so I'm just pulling at the little ponytail and then bringing the front pieces out just to create some more texture right in that area. Next up, we're going to leave some loose pieces at the front, so we're going to grab a section from the top of the hair to the bottom of the ear, and we're going to do that on both sides. And then you're going to want to take your bandana right in between, bring that right up, and then once again, you're going to create the little double knot. And that's it. Once it's tied off, just bring all your hair to the front, zhuzh it up a little bit because you got to do the zhuzhing, and there you go. Such a cute little flirty hairstyle. It's time for the famous bandana bun. You're going to flip all your hair down and just create a ponytail pretty high up on your head, and you can leave a couple front pieces as well. Next, you're going to grab one of these little coil hair ties and kind of fold over and create a messy bun. I love to play with this so many times until I get it the way that I want it. If you guys have any little flyaways or anything like that, just feel free to secure that down with a bobby pin and get the bun looking exactly the way you want. Next, grabbing the bandana at the bottom of your neck, you're just going to go ahead and bring that right up just as we did before, creating the little double knot. And that's it. That literally took what, like 60 seconds, and you have such a cute little flirty hairstyle, especially for day 2 hair. Yes, this next hairstyle is just as simple. You're going to grab some of your hair at the front and then comb it back, and then bring the bandana once again and do that little double knot at the front. Then all you're going to do is from the top of your ears, you're going to grab some of your hair and then you're going to pull it back into a low ponytail. This is great if you guys just want to keep your hair away from your face but still have your hairstyle down. And then to create some volume in that area, I'm just bringing up the pony and adding a bobby pin or two just to keep it in place and bring it some volume. And can we take a minute? This green color is probably one of my favorites. So for another variation of a casual ponytail, I really like this one as well. This one is just going to be placed low at the nape of your neck, and you're going to pull out some front pieces just to frame your face a little bit. And then grabbing the bandana of any color, you're going to go ahead and do the same method, bringing it up and doing a little double knot. having the ponytail sit low with some face framing pieces keeps this really casual, but still a really cute touch for any outfit. Heading into the next one, you guys know me and I love me some braids, so just leaving some face framing pieces at the front, I'm grabbing the bandana and I'm bringing it right up and creating that same double knot. Once that's done, I'm going to bring all my hair right to the side and I'm going to go ahead and create a side braid. This is just a simple 3-strand braid. If you guys know how to fishtail or make any more complicated braids, feel free to, but I'm just keeping this very simple and doing a simple 3-strand braid all the way down. Once you're finished with that, just tie that off, and I like to pancake the braid, just making it a little bit thicker by pulling at the strands. And that's it, you're done your little braid side hairdo. So cute and so easy. Okay guys, so those are all the hairstyles I have for you today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. So if you did like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. That honestly helps me out so much. And comment down below which of these hairstyles was your favorite. And if you have any video requests for me, put them down below as well. If I am a new face to you, then hi, my name is Haley. It is so nice we're finally meeting. I mean, it's about time. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to this channel for more fashion, beauty, fitness, lifestyle videos coming your way. And if you do want to follow me throughout my daily life, be sure to follow me on Instagram, because on there I post lots of daily content like hairstyles and outfits and all that good stuff. So be sure to follow me on there and connect with me through DMs. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!
Maybe the night that my tears might let me know. All the stars are so sure. All the stars are so sure.